Okay, now one more
Yeah.
success story. We have Tejas with us who cleared PMP, and he's so excited to talk about his success story. And again, one more video here from Sri Learning to give an idea how people work towards examination, how it's possible. I know every video can give some tips, and this week we have, as I said earlier, another video. This is a big week for us. 3 days, 5 people cleared, three more on the line to clear. So it's not about the number count; it's about the quality, right? Quality is very important. So all these people who are clearing exams put good amount of effort. They were so consistent on their preparation and so disciplined. Number of hours will vary. A person can read for 15 hours, get the content. Same content, another person can read in 3 hours. It differs, right? But the point is how much consistent we are, how much disciplined we are towards a goal. That's very vital. Once again, PMP is not everything in the world, but it is an important thing in the world where you know what you want to do in your life, your career. When you get that self confidence. Let's move forward. So I respect every one of us who are preparing for this examination, who cleared the examination successfully. I call them as a top 2% because it needs that effort. Right? I know some people make fun also of this number, but I tell them that it needs effort. You should be there. You should feel it. Then you know that yes, I'm the right person to go in that place, right? So now with that, we have Tejas here. One more success story here, and congratulations to Tejas from Sri Learning team and Sridham here as a PMP coach. And I was closely working with Tejas for a while, right? I know him doing the efforts amazingly great, and he's so consistent in his preparation, right? Whatever happens, it could be heavy rainy day or a sunny day or something happening in the border, something happening here. There could be COVID virus, lots of stuff happening. Irrespective of that, he was able to stay focused on that. So I respect his focus. I respect his consistency, right? With this, let's keep to Tejas. Before that, I'll just show his profile so that we'll also feel proud to see his certificate. All right, that's Tejas. By the way, whenever you see this certificate, yeah, you can see the smile in his face. It's me, right, Tejas?
Yeah.
So how is the LinkedIn post going up? I think it's very
Increasing day by day. Response is increasing day by day.
so many started asking, right, how do you clear the exam and
Yeah,
what's
yeah,
happening?
yeah. Number of LinkedIn requests received in last 2 days.
Oh man, you good to see your story. I saw you gave a credit to your family as well, right? That's very important because without family, we are not here. It's not one person role here. It's a good effort of
Yes.
everybody. So yeah, he's working as a senior engineer in Emerson Technology. So he's one of the top guy in the organization. Now he's going to be more top in Emerson Group, and again, a lot of
Yeah.
opportunities here, right? Well and good. So let me get back, and I'll give back to Tejas PMP. I have to mention the suffix there. So let him talk about the success story. Yes, Tejas.
Yeah. Hi guys. Good morning to all of you. Finally, I have done with my beautiful certification. That is Project Management Professional PMP. Actually, the thought came in my mind from last 2-3 years. I'm searching for the this way to look forward for the PMP. And my journey started from last November 2019, when I have joined Sri Learning for the 35 PDU earning courses and all. So I have searched the Sri Learning from the LinkedIn, because at that time I was searching for the coaches and everything. So I came across the Shriram sir for their Sri Learning Institute. So I have joined the Sri Learning on 2nd of November for the 8 weeks course session. Then November to December, 2 months are course sessions completed in December. Then the further studies, actual studies has been started uh, by referring book like a Pimbok is there, then Rita Mulka book is there, Head First PMP, whatever the 3 books which we have received from Shriram sir. So we have referred all the 3 books. Actually, my study plan, actually, Shriram sir also prepared a plan for each and every individual after the course session. So we have followed that plan only. So for reference book, we can say as per our convenience, as per our understanding, and as per our approach, we can refer any book. It is not like that we have to refer pin book only, or we have to refer Rita Mulka, or we have to refer Head First only. We can approach as per our convenience. If I thought if 2 or 3 topics are easy or easy to understand from head first, then I can prefer head first. Or if another topic is simply simplify in Rita Mulkai, then I can go for Rita Mulkai. So it is totally depends on your grasping power and your convenience. So there is no any standard pattern to which book should you follow. But we have to read a lot after the video lectures. I have started practice like during my traveling. I have used to listen the videos from Shriram sir, and then after going back to home, then I'll referring the theory part. So that's connects me more with the subject. And I have read, I think, a pen book once or twice, and Rita Mulka I have read twice or thrice, and one and single and first I think 3 to 4 topics from head first PMP. And after my book reading completion, then I have solved the individual question parts from each individual topics. So in if you refer the Rita Mulka book, then there is a topic and there is a question parts also is there. I think 30 to 40 questions for each topic is there. So that is also there. And other material which we have received from Shri Learning, like other PDF copies, which consist of near about 3,000 to 3,500 question banks. So that is also very helpful for me to go for the practice questions and exam. And main part is prepcast is very much important, because the pattern of the prepcast questions which is near to somehow similar to the main exam. So if we learn prepcast very well, then it should be easy, it should be very connecting or very easy to go for the main exam. Because I have almost solved all the 7 mock tests, each having 200 questions, 4 hours each exam. So that helps me a lot. And main part in prepcast is question answer evaluation. Once you finish with your exam, then you have to evaluate each and every question, whether your answer is right or wrong. If it is right, then why it is right. It is as per PMI approach, or it is as per my experience. So that is the main part.
I like this point, Tejas. I know. I don't know how many of the students who scolded me, cursed me, because evaluating exam is so tough. You can write hours of exam. Evaluation will take 10 hours. And you have to evaluate your own mistake. That's a painful thing to learn.
Very painful.
But that gives results. I like the way what thanks.
Yeah. Correct. So that part is very much important. Whether it is wrong, then because Prepcast having every description for each and every options, so you can connect more with that. So it is a one kind of revision also for all the topics, and it is evaluation also. So that helps me a lot. And then I have after the Prepcast, I have referred other questions, mock tests from material which we have received on Shri Learning. So it's a combined effort from Prepcast and other study material. And continuous be in touch with Shriram sir for after my mock test gets finished, I'll keep him posted my results, that I have got this much percentage or this much the score. So he motivates me a lot for every time. He understood me a very lot, that what is actually going on, because up and down is there, because my initial exams, like first or second mock test, the score is very low, then slightly increase, then again there is down, again there is up. So it's up and down journey totally for me. So it's a great experience. But just one it's not a tip or something, but just as per my experience, you should be very dedicated, very focused, and very passionate about this. Then only it is possible to get this or something like that. Because and if you are working people, and then you are parallel doing the certification kind of PMP kind of certification, then it's very tough for you to allot the time slot for the study. So study per day, I think 3.5 hours, 4 hours is very much important if you are coming to the closer to the exam. So that is more important. So I used to woke up in the morning, early in the morning, and morning 2 hours and evening 2 hours, like that. So my session was there. So as per your convenience, you can do your planning, your examination, whatever the topics, whatever your deadline. And most important part is your deadline. You have to freeze your deadline first, target exam, because without target we cannot move further. One is target date and other is the plan. So if you have plan in front of you, then you can exactly know how much is the portion of syllabus which we have completed, and what is the remaining one. That is, we have one concept is there in cost estimation, the ETC and EAC. So ETC is like that only. What is the current status and how much it is required to reach at that point. So that is the main part.
We
So
started with your work and what you did.
Yes. So dedication is more important. We have to focusedly and dedicatedly do this. Then it is not impossible. So
one ask here is, you read and written a lot of mock questions. Many people have a doubt here. If I practice some bunch of mock questions, same question will repeat in the main exams. Will it be useful? Is it the same model of question come there or something a little bit different? This kind of thought process with many people. So how did you feel when you went to the practice and went to the real exam? What was your thought there?
Yeah, while doing prepcast and while doing the main exam, I thought that somehow the pattern is similar. Say not exactly similar, but somehow the pattern is closer to the main exam from the prepcast. So if we do from a prepcast dedicatedly, then it is very helpful for us in main exam. So a number of questions we have solved. I think I have also solved other than prepcast. I have also refer 1,000 questions, I think. So if you solve a number of questions, then you have full with your question bank and answer. So you can easily connect in main exam that yes, this is the same kind of pattern. So I have to answer in think in same way. So approach is some one thing for this kind of session.
Hey, one more ask here, Tejas. Which area you felt the exam questions are a little tricky? Maybe procurement management or something. Some area you felt, guys, this area is so hard. You have to read more.
Yeah, one is risk management. The planned risk response part is very much important because there are opportunities and threats. All having 5 escalation processes: avoid and escalate, exploit, something. So that part is very tricky in exam. And another is change management, integration management, perform integrated change control. That is the main part because so many questions are there from change management in main exam also. And I've received, I think, 3 to 4 sums on the cost estimation, like EAC and SPCV, like that. One questions on beta distribution is there. So hardly the 3 to 4 some questions. Other all are theoretical questions.
Very good, good efforts. And again, all ask the same question: do we have agile questions coming up in exams? If so, how much?
Yeah, surprisingly, no agile question was there for me. So I was very lucky for that.
You say lucky, people coming from IT industry will feel that.
Yeah, I know.
Good one. So, do in 4 hours, did you felt tight the exam, main exam?
Yeah, if you are appearing exam from home, then there are so many restrictions from PMI. Like there are strict guidelines are there. You cannot move from the screen and your movements are restricted. Proctor is continuously monitoring you. There is a small chat box also in that window. So if anything is there, then Proctor can also connect with you, or you can also connect with the Proctor. So once scenario happened in main exam that unintentionally my hand covers my face like this only while reading the question. So immediately the proctor chat me like remove your hand from face. So there is a very they are continuously monitoring you. So your movements are very much restricted. So it's very painful to concentrate 4 hours in a 200 questions. There is a 10 minutes inbuilt break also after 89th question. So it's very painful but very exciting. Before my hands are shivering before sending button. Before press the sending button.
$50, man, huge.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good deal. Okay, that's fantastic. Great to know. And tell me about your food habits. Do we need to have a special food habits for preparation? Your sleeping habits?
Yeah, actually, there are no any specific diet I have followed. Just regular food and everything. So it is totally based on your health, your dedication, and your focus. How you want to proceed? That is your way. Because my way is different from another, because another having a different capacity or another capacity, another approach. So I cannot compare myself with another for this particular session. because this is the individual approach, individual thinking how to approach. So it is totally depends on you only.
Why I poked that question is, I know food and sleeping habits doesn't be relevant here.
Yes,
But
yes.
the question is, just want to give a highlight to everyone watching out. We should have a consistency with us of good sleeping habit and good normal food habits and little exercise on a daily basis, so that you're able to sustain for 2 months of reading.
Yeah, correct.
Just like that, start reading. Okay, we may be out of college and out of academic years back. Suddenly you sit with the book, it won't work. You would have passed age 30, 40.
Correct, correct, correct.
You can read magazine. You can read about what a Trump is making decision. That you will read 5 paragraph immediately. But if you ask you to read what is EVM, right? So that's a mindset. For that mindset, you have a good sleeping habit, at least 6.5, 7 hours, or you have a good food and good walking habit. This all happens really well. So
Yeah, discipline is very important. Yeah.
Yep, good. Great, Tejas. So I'm so happy that I can see your face is so joy. I know you want to party, but with the COVID, you're not allowed to party.
Yeah.
Right? And again, I repeat the same point for everyone that it's not only PMP, it stops there. It's a beginning. You realize your capacity, you realize your ability to do something on your focus to it. Now you have to start materializing in the corporate life, materializing in your personal life, and start earning more on value and also revenue. Both should happen, right? In the sense, I don't always talk money, I talk value more, right? When you walk on the floor as a leader, people should feel you're a leader. Rather, you're tag telling you're a leader. No, it should be you are a leader by what you are. So let this PMP be a good start for you and give a good growth in your life. And from here, you shouldn't stop. You have to go for further learning. Every year, you should have a goal of learning something, new certifications, new growth, new corporate, new domain. Lot you have to do, right? So all the wishes to you from everyone here, and including Sriram team and Sriram, we all wish you keep succeeding more, right? And out of a busy schedule, because after PMP, the corporate will expect more from you because you were taking 5-6 days leave. So once you come back, a lot of emails will be there, a lot of work to do. So out of that, you took some time to help us. I appreciate it, Tejas. Anything special point you want to tell in the last minute?
Very much thankful to Sri Learning, especially to you, sir, because it is not possible without you. You stood me behind start to end, and special thanks to Rahul also, because for every query he is there. For any time we can ask him any query. So he is very supportive. Your staff is very supportive. So thanks to Sri Learning, and I'll highly recommended Sri Learning to everybody.
Thanks, Tejas. Some people tell that anything on PMP, let's not go to Google, let's go to Rahul. He may have a lot of details there. Good, man. Good. Thanks, Tejas, and good wishes from Sri Lanka, right? Have a great time. Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you, sir.